Hi friends, welcome to another cleaning video. I feel like I haven't done one for a while. My house looks like I haven't done one for a while. It's in desperate need. I need to clean my house. I need to give you guys that motivation, and you guys give me the motivation to get it clean when I do these videos. So thank you. And yeah, without further ado, let's get to work. Got my hair up in a ponytail. This girl means business. See, I told you guys it was pretty bad. Right now I'm just putting away my hairbrush and some makeup that I was using this morning in my makeup bag, and yeah, now to tackle the rest of it. Ew. Ooh, that's still hot. But I didn't even use it. Okay, who is like me, who puts an iron and plugs it in and turns it on and doesn't end up even using it? By the way, you guys, that was a granola bar in my hand earlier. Looks like I'm going to have to do some laundry today. This hairspray, you guys, is amazing. I gotta put these two items in the hallway closet where I keep some extra cleaning supplies. I made these glass pillars myself by using Dollar Tree products, so if you want me to do a DIY video on how I made them, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be honest, you guys, I have not cleaned these in such a long time. See, definitely didn't clean it for a long time. Very dirty. If you guys are wondering what glass cleaner I'm using, I'm actually using a Grove Collaborative concentrate that they sent me in the mail a while back ago. I'm just using an old Method bottle for it. I figured that just cheaper than buying a whole new bottle. And as you guys can see here, I am videotaping with my phone. Now I'm going to use some Method Anti-Bac in the scent Bamboo. I actually really like the bamboo scent most of all the anti-bacs from Method. It still makes me cough because it is pretty, has a pretty strong smell to it, but it is supposed to be chemical free, but it still makes me cough a bit. But I do like the smell of this one more than the Wildflower because I think the Wildflower is just a little too strong for me. So in this video, you're going to see a couple new items in my bathroom. I picked up this white stand and a white cabinet for my bathroom for free, actually on my birthday on a street corner. Someone just put a sign out on there that says free, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's like a birthday present because I've been wanting something like this for my bathroom for so long. I just didn't want to spend the money for it, so happy that it was free. And what do you think? It was on my birthday. That was pretty awesome. So I just recently did a deep bathtub and shower clean, so I'm not going to do a deep one in this video, but I will do a little bit of a cleaning process with it using the tub and tile from Mrs. Meyer's, but just a little bit and just tidying it up with just a smidge. I'm just gonna reuse this towel again because it is still pretty clean. I just used it on my counters, and yeah, I mean, it's really, my counters weren't really dirty or anything, so I'm just gonna use it on the bathtub as well. So Riley has been fighting me on baths lately, and I have been having to use this IKEA bucket. I got from IKEA for $5. I love the bucket, it's really cute, and I use that for a bathtub for him because I don't know, for some reason the bathtub freaks him out. And then there is a random Hot Wheel car in here. Of course, you'll find that everywhere in my house. I'm just using some Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. That's all I'm using, nothing's fancy. And because the bathtub was actually pretty clean already, I'm just going to continue using this towel for the outside of the toilet. Okay, so now this towel is definitely nasty and dirty. I am going to disinfect it and use a different towel now to clean the rest of it. So I'm not going to mop in this video just because a couple days ago I already mopped, so I don't find it necessary to mop again today. Alright, so here's the bathroom. After I cleaned it, I think it looks a ton better. It smells really good and it's very sparkly. And there's that white cabinet I was telling you about. Alright you guys, I hope this video was very motivating. I hope it got you to want to clean your messy bathroom or anything. And yeah, I hope it was motivating and fun. I try to keep it fun, try to be motivating. I hope I am. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like because I need more friends. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye!